Welcome to Fix Your App. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to repost on Facebook. It's simple, quick, and you'll master it in no time. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials just like this. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your smartphone or tablet. If you're using a browser, make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Next, navigate to the profile, group, or Facebook page where the post you want to repost is located. If it's in your feed, you can skip this step. Step 3. Now, scroll through your home feed until you find the post you'd like to share. Once you've spotted it, move on to the next step. Look for the share button right below the post and tap on it. This will open a menu with a few sharing options. Step 5. Here's the important part. If you want to repost it immediately, tap on Share Now. But if you'd like to add your own comment or opinion before sharing, select Write Post. Step 6. If you choose to write a post, you can also adjust the privacy settings to control who can see it. Tap the small privacy icon and choose from options like Public, Friends, or other custom settings. Step 7. Once you're ready, tap Share Now again and your repost will be live. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.